Purchasing a home without a proper inspection can lead to significant issues. Undetected problems like water leaks, electrical issues, and structural flaws can result in surprise repair expenses, often exceeding the inspection cost. Safety concerns may arise from hazardous substances like asbestos, lead paint, or mold, and structural risks. Overpayment is a risk when you lack insights into the home's condition, affecting future resale value. A home inspection offers peace of mind and negotiation leverage and helps budget for future maintenance costs. Skipping inspection can be tempting but poses financial and safety risks. Invest in peace of mind with a thorough inspection.